guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia here again with another video for you guys. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a comparison between the tube retinols and the serum retinols, and what are the differences and which one should you gravitate towards. So if you're a new user to retinol, you want to definitely watch this video because I've tried it and I've tried using both, and honestly I'm going to share my honest opinions with you so you can make better decisions when trying to incorporate retinols into your your routine, your skincare routine. So let's get into this video. So I would say that let's start with serums. So these two are really on the mild side when it comes to retinol as compared to this one is 0.05, and I'm guessing because it didn't state on any of the packs what percentage of retinol is in this product, but I know that it's not up to 0.05. It could be 0.01 or 2, but this is my own guess. And what are the difference between these two? This one has a higher concentration of retinol, so if you use this you would see more effect as compared to this. But why am I insisting that you buy this instead of this? So as a first time user of retinol, there are a few things that retinol will do to your skin. Aside from the fact that it will help you grow new skin quickly, it's also going to purge your skin, and the purge is ugly, guys. You won't like your skin, and you cannot tell because everybody just uses retinol. Everybody's skin reacts differently to retinol. Some people have more sensitive skin and their own reaction is totally different. So if you know you're on the sensitive side, you want to go towards milder retinols. This one, even if it wants to purge you, just see one pimple. Like for me, when I started using these ones, I would see one big pimple here, I'd see one here. Guys, I had so much big pimples coming out from my face, which I usually don't have because I use a lot of salicylic and AHAs. But when I started using these ones, they were coming out, like they came out. So imagine, sorry about the background noise, imagine using this one. But when I was using this one, honestly, my purge took longer than expected, because usually you'd say maybe in a month, 8 weeks or 6 weeks, you should start purging. But mine took way longer. Actually, it was when I stopped using this that my face now decided that I wanted to purge, because I was like, using this, I could feel that my skin was glowing, but I wasn't using it in the right route, like skin regimen. My skin regimen was not like tight, so it really affected my face back then. My skin was soft, my skin was plump, but it was dark. So, and it's not because of the product, don't get me wrong, it's because my routine was not tight. You get the thing about skincare, I've been saying it, is that you need a team. You get a good team, and using a product on its own or with a product that is not strong enough to be on the team, like the weak links, will not help you. So you need a strong team. So yeah, like I said, if you are new to retinol, start small, and then you can go ahead and buy this later, and then just your skin will be familiar with retinol. The drastic effect will not be as drastic as it is. So that is my opinions on these two. Can you use the two of them together? Honestly, I don't use the two of them together, but I wouldn't say that you can't, because serums and this cream, they are not the same thing. Okay, so you can use this in the night. Retinol should be used at night only. If you try and use retinol during the day, my sister, I don't know what to tell you, but don't try it. Okay, even that one you are using in the night is enough to give you sunburn during the day. Then you now want to use it during the day. Oh my god, don't do it. don't do it, okay? So you can use this if you're using like the serum. You can use this too, and maybe do like 2 or 3 times a week to give you like that full effect. But you can get this one as well, don't get me wrong. It depends. You know your face, you know your body better than anybody does. So that is my 2 cents on this product. And for those beginners, I'm just going to give you the process of how retinol works so that you understand. First things first, retinol helps you grow new skin. So if you have like maybe bad acne scars, you had like maybe something that, you know, is just not growing on your face, and you start using retinol, it will help those things shed off faster, so you can like display new glowy skin. So that's the use of retinol. And if you are aging, it helps remove wrinkles, it helps reduce the appearances of wrinkles and, you know, all those aging effects, so you have a younger looking skin. Okay, that's it. Then there's something called the purge. The purge is like, you know, when you've eaten for like 1 year and you've not gone to like you've not gone to see, like, you've not gone to the loo, and you finally decide that, okay, I want to go to the loo. Sorry about that. I want to go to the loo, and then you just go at once for that whole 1 year. That's like my layman analogy of what the purge is. So it will help you like remove all those acne that's hiding under your skin. Some of them will come out as boils, some of them will come as you know, scaling on your skin. Retinol reacts differently to different people, and also depends on the product that you're using. So that's why I say, for new users, you want to use drugstore cosmetics. Those ones are milder and you don't get those drastic effects like using those ones that are highly concentrated. So you want to get your moisturizers that has retinols. You want to get your serums that have retinol and all that stuff, okay? And like I said, only use it at night. Okay, so that's that for this video. So in my opinion, like I said, 2 of them are okay, but as a beginner, go with this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave in the comment section, I would reply. And do have a nice day, guys. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up, I would appreciate all of those. Bye.